Hi, I'm Jane Senior, the Group Executive for Customer Advocacy and Value Chain. We're delighted to open the doors of the new molybdenum facility today to ANSTO staff. It's a unique opportunity for staff to be able to access areas that they won't be able to once the site starts to produce. This new molybdenum 99 facility will allow us to produce molybdenum 99 for the Australian market and for export markets for many, many years to come. Delivering a facility like this doesn't occur without teamwork. ANSTO has a range of different people across site with multiple skills and experiences, and they've all worked together over many years that's culminated in what we see here today. We're so proud to have this facility. It's state-of-the-art, it's the best in the world, and it'll allow us to produce molybdenum for many years to come and secure supply to Australia, but also to export molybdenum to the world.